so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango carrot pineapple juice. Alright, so before I go any further guys, remember to like my videos, comment, share with your families, and also subscribe. If you are a subscriber, ensure that you click the notification so that when I upload a new video you are informed. Okay, so remember guys, like, share and comment. That's very important. So let's get right into the main video. All right, so I have in this bowl 3 large carrots, 1 mango, East Indian mango, cutting off the 2 sides, and I'm using that. And I have like 3 slices of pineapple cut up, and I have some ginger in this bowl. I have some water, and I also have some honey that I will be using to sweeten, just to sweeten a little bit for taste. All right, so I'm gonna get right into the video now. I have my my blender, my pot strainer, and everything else to make this juice. All right, so let's get started. So first thing, I'm gonna add the ingredients to the blender. Alright, that aside, I'm gonna add my water. You could also run this juice through your juicer, but you have to have more ingredients than this to get a good amount of juice, right? So let me cover and then blend. And there you have it guys, all done. My mango carrot pineapple juice, it's all done. So I'm gonna strain this now. I'm just gonna add a little honey to taste, to sweeten the taste. Wow, just help the strainer. Look how rich it is, guys. Got it. Guys, you can also use your hands, which is use it. I'm just gonna use a little honey to sweeten it a bit. That should be good enough. That's perfect. All right, your jar. Ooh, yummy! Look at that. My glass is all ready, guys. You can also put it to chill before having it. So I get some cube ice, and I'm gonna have it this way because I want to taste it for you. Look at it. Look how rich it is. The carrot gave it a nice color. Look at it. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Perfect. So refreshing, delicious. Tastes so natural. So much goodness in one glass of juice. Carrot, pineapple, and mango with ginger. Couldn't add some more. So, and that's it, guys. That's it. As I said before, remember to like all my videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, guys, to leave me a comment on what you think about this delicious juice. All right. So until my next video, bye.